Hello students, myself Dr. Rajendra Dandavati, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, Arts, Commerce, Science College, Surrey. Today's topic of our discussion is parasitology. There are number of organisms. They are harmful to the human and other vertebrate animals. There are some we can take some example like the Plasmodium vivax, tick, mosquito, etc. The parasites, some are ectoparasites, some are endoparasites. The ectoparasites are found on the outer body surface, whereas the endoparasites are found inside the body. We can take one example like Plasmodium vivax. There are about 60 known species of the Plasmodium. All species are found in human blood. These are found in all countries. The tropical zone is endemic which causes the malaria. They are found in the RBCs of man. They are found in the form of mature adult conditions. The adult is called as the propocytes. When we classify this plasmodium, it belongs to kingdom Protista, phylum Apicomplexa, class Sporozoa, then family Hemosporidae, genus Plasmodium, and species Vivax. This plasmodium having the two hosts, man and female Anopheles mosquito. Other vertebrate animals like reptiles, birds, mammals are the intermediate host. Parasites are reproduced by sexual method in the body of Anopheles. The common species which transmit the malaria is Streptospecie, then Macroculates, Pleurids, and Culicipedes. When you observe the structure of the adult, which is called the trophozoites, it is a mature stage. It is amoeboid, nucleated with granular cytoplasm. The granules are hemosyl pigments. The ultrastructure is studied by Graham. It is a double-layered structure. The layer is called as plasmolemma. The endoplasmic reticulum is in the form of vesicle are found. The vesicles are smooth or a rough structure. The cytoplasm contains small particles which contain large number of nucleoproteins. Mitochondria possesses double membranes. Golgi complex composed of small vesicles in two rows. There are one or two membrane vacuoles found in cytoplasm. Nucleus is large with nucleoplasm. Nucleomembrane is double with RNA particles. Trophocyte feeds on the hemoglobin of RBC. The mode of nutrition is the sporozoic, reproduction by sexual and asexual method, respiration by amoebic body. When you observe its life cycle, it is completed in two hosts, man and Anopheles mosquito. In man, sexual phase of the life cycle is called as schizogony. It again divides into the extra erythrocytic and erythrocytic schizogony. The sexual phase is completed in female Anopheles mosquito by gametogony, syngamy, and sporogony. Then some part of the life cycle is completed in body of human being. It is called as asexual cycle. This cycle starts with the introduction of the sporozoites in man body. The entry takes place when infected female Anopheles bite man. This is called as inoculation period. There is no protective covering on the body of the parasite. The sporozoites measuring about 11 to 12 micron. It is a sickle-shaped cells with oval nucleus. Female mosquito incubates thousands of the sporozoites in human body. Then ultrastructure of the sporozoites. The body of sporozoites is covered by the elastic pellicle. It is longitudinally arranged contractile macrotubes. The tubules are useful for gliding movement of the parasite. The anterior end is a apical cup made up of three concrete rings. It secretes lytic juice to facilitate penetration into liver cell. The nucleus is single. Then the pre-erythrocytic schizogony, it mainly occurs in the liver. The sporozoites does not undergo the development in man. After infusion of the sporozoites, they leave the blood. and they enter in the liver cell and grow in size, becomes slightly rounded. It is called as seasoned, which measures about 10 to 14 micron. The seasoned divides called as merozoites or cryptozoites. They enter in the fresh liver cell. It divides, produces metacryptocytes. These are the micro and macrocryptocytes. Microcryptocytes enter in RBCs and start erythrocyte schizogonia. Macrocryptocytes enter in new liver cell. Then erythrocytic schizogonia. After release from the liver cell, the micrometacryptocytes invade RBCs. The parasite grow in size called as the tropocytes. It appears ring-like structure called as signet ring stage. The full-grown seasoned is called as seasoned. The seasoned invade fresh RBCs and continue to next cycle. This stage is called as erythrocytic schizogonia. After that, there is the next stage called as post-erythrocytic schizogonia. The merozoites again go and from the RBCs to liver. It undergoes another phase of multiplication called as erythrocytic schizogonia. The formation of gametes begins in man and completed in mosquito. Then the sexual cycle which occurs in the mosquito, when female anaphylaxis mosquito sucks the blood of malarial patient, this parasite reaches the stomach of mosquito. The first stage of development occurs in stomach. The gametocyte develop in gut of mosquito. Nucleus of each gametocyte divides by mitosis, produce 6 to 8 haploid nuclei. The macrogametocytes undergo maturation process. After that, there is the fertilization. The macrogametes form the cytoplasmic projections. It is called as the fertilization cone. The micro and macrogamete fuse called as fertilization. It produces zygote. The fusion is called as anisole. Then next, ookinete. Zygote get elongate called as ookinete. It measures about 15 to 20 micron in length and 3 micron in width. The ookinete is called as the motile in nature. It moves and bores through the wall of the stomach of mosquito. Then encystment. Ookinete becomes spherical, secretes cyst. Cyst is also secreted by the other organism. Ookinete, which is unable to penetrate the wall of stomach, it passes out from mosquito body with the fecal matter. Then there is the next stage called as sporogony. Each oocyte enters in the phase of multiplication known as sporogony. The nucleus gets divides from small nucleus. The resulting cell is called as sporozoites. The sporozoites are motile. They move to various organs. Majority of them migrate into salivary glands of the mosquito. The sporozoites which enter in the new host when female mosquito bites. It's nothing but the life cycle of malarium parasite called as the Plasmodium vivax. Thanks.